Hey guys, so in this video today, we're going to be talking about the P0032 trouble code. What exactly are the symptoms, causes, and solutions for the oxygen sensor heater control circuit issue? Now, this is going to be a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and resolving, so let's get right into it. Now, moving on here, introduction to the P0032 code is it relates to an oxygen sensor. It is also critical for engine performance. Now, it detects heater circuit issues involving bank 1, sensor 1. Recognizing key symptoms is you're going to have a check engine light prominent. Engine power may decrease, your idle could be erratic, or you can have increased fuel consumption occurrences. Now, identifying common causes. Now, some of these common causes are sensor or wiring issues, or other ones can relate to possible fuel system faults. Damaged connectors are likely as well, or PCM ECM problems are possible with this code. Now, effective solutions and fixes for this are just replacing the faulty oxygen sensor, also replacing and repairing damaged wiring. You may have frayed wiring, so just be aware of that. Be sure to inspect those. Also inspect and fix the fuel system, so anything that has to do with the fuel system, just check for that. You're also going to want to use OEM replacement parts as over-the-counter or just cheap replacement parts can be defective and may not let your vehicle run as it should. So that's today's video on P0032 trouble code. I hope you found this video, and if you did, please leave a like and check out the OBD Mastery catalog where we have more OBD related code videos for you to watch. Thank you for watching.